Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make shrimp garlic pasta. You're going to need some shrimp. You can use frozen shrimp or fresh shrimp. Here I have some frozen wide parts raw shrimp. So I put in my obey seasoning. You can use any seasoning you want, but today I'm using obey seasoning, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some paprika, cumin seeds, salt, and black pepper. Okay. Then once you've seasoned that, you're going to mix it and let it marinate for like 5 to 10 minutes to get everything coated. Then in a pan, you're going to add 1 stick of butter. Okay. I'm using salted butter. You can use unsalted butter if you want. Let that melt a little bit. Then you can add some minced garlic. Stir it up, and then you're going to put the shrimp in the butter and garlic mixture. Just mix, make sure everything is cooked. We had some lemon juice in there, and cook a little bit more, and then once that is done, you can add your cooked pasta to it. And you can add some extra seasoning if you feel like it's not enough, but this was enough for me and my family. It's very delicious, simple, easy recipe. You can try it for yourself, for your family. And you can add some crushed red bell peppers or crushed peppers if you want to it. And here's the parsley I'm adding to it. It's very nice. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.